Hello educators, and welcome to MeraTutor.AI. Over the next 5.5 minutes, I'll show you how MeraTutor.AI works and how it can transform the learning experience. MeraTutor provides an intuitive course management module to help students organize their courses. School-recommended textbooks can be easily converted into chapter-wise PDFs and uploaded. With our new PDF split feature, simply upload the entire textbook PDF, and MeraTutor.AI will automatically detect the chapters and split the document for you. It intelligently names each chapter based on the book's table of contents. Once the course is organized, a student clicks on any chapter to start learning. Using the snipping tool, they can highlight any text, picture, or problem. Then they type their question or pick from our smart prompts. MeraTutor.AI delivers a concise, structured answer. MeraTutor.AI can help students with all subjects. Students can save AI outputs on each page as notes for future reference by clicking the Add to Notes option. They can access all their notes in the Notes section to edit, delete, or even export and print them. After every answer, MeraTutor.AI suggests related queries. The learner ends up asking more questions and learning far beyond the textbook content. For deeper understanding, we have the Coach mode. Rather than giving a direct answer, Coach mode asks targeted, Socratic-style questions that lead the learner to the solution step by step. The learner develops critical thinking and retains concepts more deeply by arriving at conclusions on their own. But learning doesn't stop there. That's why we've introduced the web, image, and video search feature, bringing the power of the internet directly into MeraTutor.AI's safe learning environment. They can ask, show me images of the law of inertia, to see relevant pictures. Find a video explaining Newton's third law of motion. And MeraTutor.AI will embed helpful videos right into the chat. It's a comprehensive tool to explore topics in multiple formats, all without leaving the app. Students can click the Summary tab on any page to generate concise AI summaries, perfect for a fast review before class or exams. Testing your knowledge is highly engaging with our new Kuizu feature. Students can instantly generate custom quizzes by selecting their course-specific chapters and choosing an arrangement, whether chapter-wise, concept-wise, or question-wise. You can set a custom timer, pick a difficulty level, and choose the number of questions. When you play the Kuizu, you get 3 helpful lifelines: a hint to guide you, a flip to replace the question, and a 50-50 to remove 2 incorrect options. Once finished, you receive a detailed breakdown of your score, speed, and accuracy. You can share your scorecard directly to social media, invite friends via email to challenge your score, or publish your Kuizu to the MeraTutor community. We've taken intensive practice to the next level with smart workbooks. You can generate a custom workbook by selecting their course-specific chapters and by selecting your difficulty, your syllabus board, and specific question types, mixing multiple choice, assertion reason, short long answers, and higher order thinking skills. Choose the number of questions. You can download the blank question PDF to print and practice offline, along with the answer key PDF. Once the student completes the printed workbook, simply scan and upload it back into the platform for AI-powered evaluation. The AI analyzes the handwritten responses, provides a question-by-question performance breakdown. To keep everyone on the same page, we've introduced the learning summary. At a glance, students and parents can see exactly what was studied that day. MeraTutor.AI gamifies the learning experience with powerful analytics. On the dashboard, our learning rings track study duration, question activity, curiosity, and pages learned, milestones. Students can set learning goals and stay committed to meeting them daily. The learning rings help students build healthy learning habits. The trends section compares weekly efforts to the students' lifetime efforts, motivating them to improve, while the streak feature encourages learning every day. After all, success is about building healthy, disciplined habits. To keep students motivated, we've introduced a robust reward system. You can earn streak badges for consecutive daily study, as well as weekly badges for hitting all your targets. Want to see how you stack up? Check the leaderboard to compare your duration, curiosity, and milestones against the top learners on the platform. To see how you stack up, the average versus your efforts compares your activity over the last 7 days directly against the average performance of all learners. And to help you get there, MeraTutor.AI provides suggested actions. These are personalized, bite-sized goals based on your current performance, designed to help you climb the leaderboard. MeraTutor.AI is not just an AI chatbot, it's a learning ecosystem. Invite your friends to join you and study together. You'll be notified as soon as they accept your request. You can also receive incoming requests from your friends. Accept them to easily share courses with them. Schools and educators can upload their own learning materials to the upcoming MeraTutor.AI library for students to import. Most importantly, we prioritize student safety. Our chat filters detect and block off-topic or inappropriate queries. If a student tries to ask an off-topic question, MeraTutor.AI gently redirects them to focus on their learning. We do not use student data to train AI, nor do we store any private data. Once a student deletes an account, all data is permanently deleted from our servers. MeraTutor.AI is a complete personal tutor built to empower students, educators, and parents. If you represent a school or are an educator, consider adopting MeraTutor.AI for your students and watch their confidence fly high. It's the AI assistant that multiplies your efforts and gives you the superpower to guide each and every student 24/7. Start learning smarter. Try MeraTutor.AI today for free at www.MeraTutor.AI.